Hey guys, Emily Seagren here, national leader of Team Momentum. We sell over $3 million worth of Avon products a year, and I would love to have you on my team. You sign up for $30 and you get to pick from one of 3 free gifts. And in this video, I want to show you the ultimate color set. So all of my makeup lovers, this one is probably for you. It's a $78 value, and it comes with some of our best-selling color products. So our Avon Magix is our face perfector, where you can put it on to blur imperfections, to shrink pores. If you don't feel like putting on makeup, this helps smooth out your skin. It's one of our top-selling makeup products, and we've had it for years. The next we have is our Love at First Lash Mascara. This just launched within the last year, and it has heart-shaped fibers to extend your lashes, and I just love it. We have 3 different colors of our True Color Nourishing lipstick. So that one is Toasted Cashew. We have Sparkling Rose. And then we have Red Delicious for a little bit of a bolder lip. So those are all moisturizing, hydrating, and give you great color. And then we move on to our quads. So we have Mocha Latte, which is one of my favorites. We have Romantic Mauves. We sell a lot of our True Color eyeshadow quads too. We have probably over 10 different palettes, and they give great color, no crease. I think you will love them. And then last but not least, we have our Glimmersticks. So this is our retractable pencil, and they don't all have glimmer or glitter. It's just the name of our eyeliner. And we sell a ton of those. The Blackest Black and the Blackest Night are probably some of our top, I would say top 5 or top 10 selling products that we sell. So you have to share those with your customers. And again, it's $30 to sign up. This is the ultimate color set. You pay $30, you get this set, which is a $78 value. You can read more about the opportunity and learn more about me at sellingbeautyonline.com. Thanks guys, bye.